Update on the Kevin Porter domestic violence abuse case. So, to break down the story, Kevin Porter was arrested for the assault and strangulation of his girlfriend, WNBA player Caricia Gonzrick. It was reported that Porter had fractured her neck and left her with a huge gash above her eye. Kevin Porter entered a not guilty plea in arraignment and was later set free on a $75,000 cash bond. And he was also ordered to stay away from her. I feel what's very crazy about not just this case, but multiple cases identical to it, specifically due to rich athletes or anyone of that stratosphere. This woman clearly has marks and she has evidence of abuse, and all that just gets thrown out the window and he can just go out on a cash bond, and it's just like that. It's that easy. It's sad that in this world, and mostly in the system, that money just runs everything. If you have the money to get out of it, the rules and regulations and the laws don't apply to you. Although Porter was ordered to stay away from Caricia, who knows if that's even going to happen? And now that she has finally gotten the courage to speak out and say what happened to her, try to find some closure and justice, honestly, that could just make him even more enraged to go after her. This situation and many like these other cases is a reason why most domestic violence abuse victims don't speak up. One of the reasons why this story was even brought to light was because Caricia's sister was very enraged about the situation, and she posted about it, basically just telling Kevin Porter that she doesn't appreciate what happened to her sister, and that if the system is not going to get justice, she's going to get it for herself. But again, honestly, I feel like one of the main reasons why Caricia and just more people in the situation don't speak up is because most of the time they don't receive justice for the pain and the agony that they went through. He was just able to be set free just because he could pay the cash $75,000 bond. But what does that mean for her? Yeah, the court can do what they can and just say, hey, don't go close to her, don't talk to her, don't be around her. But most of the time, people don't listen to that. They're just mad, and whatever the fact that whoever the person is that they're having this anger built towards, but that is not really much of a safety net. She clearly reported what happened to her. There are marks to prove every single part of her story, and she still just has to sit and wait and see what the justice system is going to do for her. But there has been an update in the case, and he has a court date coming up on October 16th to discuss whatever the verdict is. That is all the information that I have for you guys today. As always, you know I will come to you guys with more. So, tune in next time.